If I told you there was one habit that could protect your kidneys for the rest of your life more than any pill, any test, or any doctor's visit, would you believe me? Stay with me, because the answer might surprise you. A lot of people ask me the same question. Doctor, what's the one thing I can do to make sure my kidneys never fail? And honestly, there are many good answers. Keep your blood pressure in check. Keep your blood sugar under control. Get regular checkups. All of that matters. But if you ask me to pick just one thing, one habit that has the biggest ripple effect on your kidney health, it's this: managing your body weight. In this video, we'll break down why weight control may be one of the most powerful things you can do for your kidneys, how it connects to blood pressure, blood sugar, and heart health, and what research suggests you can actually do about it. Let's get into it. Here's the thing about your body: it doesn't work in isolated pieces. Your weight, your blood sugar, your blood pressure, and your kidney function are all connected, like dominoes lined up in a row. When body weight increases beyond a healthy range, research suggests it puts extra strain on multiple systems at once. Carrying excess weight is linked to a higher risk of high blood pressure. High blood pressure, over time, can damage the tiny blood vessels inside your kidneys. It's also linked to insulin resistance, which can lead to elevated blood sugar, and consistently high blood sugar is one of the leading factors associated with kidney damage worldwide. So when weight goes unmanaged, it doesn't just sit there quietly. It can set off a chain reaction. One domino tips into the next, and before you know it, you're dealing with blood pressure issues, blood sugar issues, heart strain, and added pressure on your kidneys, all at once. That's why, if you manage just this one factor, your weight, you may be addressing several risk factors at the same time, instead of fighting each one separately. Now, when we talk about weight control, we're not talking about crash diets or looking a certain way. We're talking about a simple, measurable target: your body mass index, or BMI. Generally speaking, health guidelines suggest aiming to keep your BMI under 25. This isn't about appearance, it's about reducing the physical strain on your organs, including your kidneys, heart, and blood vessels. When your weight stays in a healthy range, your body typically doesn't have to work as hard to keep your blood pressure and blood sugar stable. And because your kidneys are constantly filtering your blood, less strain on your cardiovascular system generally means less strain on them too. Think of your kidneys like a filter in a water system. If the water pressure running through that filter stays steady and normal, the filter lasts a long time. But if the pressure keeps spiking, because of high blood pressure, high blood sugar, or extra strain from excess weight, that filter wears out much faster. Here's the part most people don't want to hear. Managing your weight isn't something that happens overnight. And it isn't effortless. There's no shortcut. Research consistently points to two things that actually work: nutrition and physical activity. That means paying attention to your diet and building regular movement into your routine. This doesn't mean extreme dieting or punishing workouts. It can be as simple as reducing portion sizes gradually rather than cutting foods out completely. Adding more vegetables, fiber, and lean protein to your meals. Cutting back on processed foods and sugary drinks. Walking for 30 minutes a day, most days of the week. Building small amounts of strength training into your week. Studies suggest that even modest, gradual weight loss, as little as 5 to 10% of body weight, can meaningfully improve blood pressure and blood sugar levels in many people. You don't need to transform overnight. Small, consistent changes tend to matter more than dramatic short-term ones. So let's bring this full circle. When your weight is managed well, your blood pressure is more likely to stay in a healthy range. Your blood sugar is more likely to stay stable. Your risk of heart-related strain may be reduced. And because your kidneys are no longer under constant pressure from these other issues, research suggests your long-term kidney function may be better protected. None of this means weight control guarantees perfect health. Genetics, existing conditions, and other factors also play a role. But among all the things within your control, keeping your weight in a healthy range appears to be one of the most impactful places to start. Let's recap what we covered today. Your weight, blood pressure, blood sugar, and kidney health are all connected. Managing one can positively affect the others. A BMI under 25 is generally considered a healthy target based on current health guidelines. Weight control isn't instant. It requires consistent diet changes and regular physical activity. Even a modest reduction in weight may help lower strain on your blood pressure, blood sugar, and kidneys over time. This video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your healthcare professional before making major dietary or lifestyle changes, especially if you have existing health conditions. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more evidence-based health insights.